Huh? Elmo, Jacob, stand up. Are you sleepy? Huh? Are you sleepy? You want to sleep? You want to sleep? Jacob? What is that? What you're holding? Oh, it's Elmo. Jacob. You sleep na, Jacob. Mommy sleepy na, bebe. Wow, Jacob reading book. Jacob. Be. Bebe, eyes on mommy. Be, can I borrow your best friend, Be? Be, please. Please. Please, borrow mommy. Then later on, daddy will scold mommy again because of their best friend. Please. Oh, what is that? Zoe? Where's the ball of Zoe? Where's the ball? Where's the ball of Zoe? No, it's Zoe. And then where's her ball? Wow, very good. Where's the star? Wow, very good. Crab. Wow, mommy crab. Where's the crab again? Wow, very good. Be, sleepy na mommy, bebe. Sleep na. Come. Who's that? Oscar? Where's Oscar? Oscar? Oscar. Be, beautifulize mommy nga, bebe. Bebe, please. Beautifulize mommy. My toes, my knees na lang. My toes, my knees. No. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees. No, don't clap your hands first. Jacob. Be. Where's your ears? Very good. Where's your knees? Where's your knees? Very good.